Hi,
Hey, welcome to the Shrink Shake Pod. I am Utkarsha,
and I'm Tina.
and we're two shrinks who like to shake things up.
Yeah, and if you're new here, thank you so much for being here.
If you've been here for a while,
What are you doing here,
I
bro?
mean, like, we're really impressed. Thank you. I'm so grateful.
But before we get into the episode today, just gonna give you a quick disclaimer. I'm gonna pull you in closer for this. This podcast is in no way, shape, or form a replacement for therapy. But if you do need therapy, we do offer that. We're a team of 6, and you can reach out to us by the information mentioned below. I guess I don't know how to speak.
Bringing back articulation, just reach out to us if you need
Yes.
therapy. All the information is in the box below.
Thank you.
And we're just getting into the
That's my big
episode.
sis. She knows the big words. I'm just gonna be like, goo goo gaga.
Baby of TCC.
I'm just living the dream actually. But coming to the episode.
I think I am going to straight up ask you the question. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up.
Yes.
Ask you the question we're going to address today. Tina. All the cameras.
Yes.
Tina,
Yes.
are you nonchalant?
If there was a word stronger than chalant, like
I'm sure there is. We should.
sure, if you know a word stronger than chalant, like think chalant x 1,000,000 bazillion times.
I get
That's me.
It's
I
fine.
have
too many.
too many gaffs to give. Like instead of being like it gaff, I'm just like I got a lot of gaffs. How many gaffs do you think you have?
I have at least 77,000.
76 are for me.
But dude, what is this? What is this? Generations. I feel like I sound very old when I say generations, but it's true. Like, what is that obsession with being nonchalant? I remember. Do you remember the movie Gone Girl when Amy? This was,
I feel like people call it a thriller, but in my honest hand to God opinion, it's the best romance film to ever exist. Like, I love you so much, I'm gonna plot. I'm gonna plot against you. Planning and plotting is like the topmost part of
love language.
Maslow's triangle.
What is your love language? Planning
And plotting.
Conspiracy.
Manipulation. Taylor Swift.
I mean, her song, no? I'm
Sure,
not
yes.
Something.
But
Anyway, bringing back, I feel like I think a lot of conversation around being the cool girl started through that movie.
Yeah.
Because it's such what an excellent monologue.
I'm
The
telling
experience
you.
of being a woman is explained in that monologue. But I feel like that was supposed to be ironical, right? Like that was supposed to teach us to
Yeah.
not be the cool girl.
Mhm.
We've gone
It's
into the
just-
opposite direction.
People took that literally.
Like
Stop
I will
taking
get
these.
into friendships and relationships and not care. You watch
How
me
is
not
that
care.
okay?
I don't.
I don't know. Have you ever had a moment like that? Because I can recall when I was like that.
Like not caring?
Yes.
Really?
You've known me later in life. But I remember very clearly, I don't know when the song came out, but Sam Smith, Too Good at Goodbyes. And that song came out, I was like, you thought. You thought I would cry. And I would be crying.
I will pause for a second. Aren't you too young to have so much attitude when the song came out?
Relax. First of all, old people should not speak this much. I'm being ageist. Second, I had so much attitude. I was like,
For what joy?
every joy in the world. I was like, I'm gonna be a cool girl. I'm not gonna let anything affect me. And I think it was just that lie that was sold to you as being like really cool, like leather jacket cool. Like that feeling was what like smoking a cigarette on a bike can feel like, you know?
Isn't it dangerous to smoke a cigarette
Exactly.
on a bike?
That's the whole point, but it
so
looks
being
cool.
right.
No.
So being cool is dangerous.
Yes.
It'll get you.
It'll get you in a crash too. Like, be stationary while smoking.
But I feel like it's so ingrained inside of us, I feel, and I know we say ingrained a lot, but I feel everything is. I'm so sorry.
The existence.
We're just dismantling the experience of being a human. But anyway, bringing back articulation. I feel like the whole idea, even the recent meme, right? Oh, I'm a chill guy. Like the hands are in the pocket.
My hands are never in my pocket. Like
imagine if these hands are in the pocket.
My body hurts. I feel like anyone who's watching, could you do us a favor, run through our videos, just play a drinking game with yourself. Drink whatever, like it can be charged, but just drink as TC and UJ move their hands.
The entire audience is going to be drunk.
Drunk or so hydrated.
It's true.
Like if you ever need a hydration challenge, just watch the Shing
Just
Shing
drink
pod.
water while watching Shing Shing pod.
But yeah, like just the embodiment of that meme. Oh, I'm just a chill guy.
Yeah, and like even if I have to be very therapist-y about it, right?
Sure.
Like it's a chill guy standing at the corner of the room, hands in the pocket. Hands in the pocket mean like what? If somebody is going to say hello, you're not going to take your hands up.
Hey.
Like
Honestly, that would work on me. All I'm saying is that would work. Like
for professional purpose. Articulation. For professional purposes, she's lying.
Yes, I'm kidding. I think this should also be like a disclaimer. No one should take me very seriously.
It's true. It's
I
as a
just-
podcaster.
As a podcaster, don't take me seriously.
Yeah.
As a therapist, for sure.
But I feel like, like hands in pocket, somebody is coming up and saying hello. Like you're the chill guy.
Yeah, I can't.
And
put
I'm like a chalant girl.
Yeah.
And I've come in and I'm like, hey, hi, how are you? I would start crying right there and then.
The
like,
only time I would take my hands out is to be like,
calm down. Maybe you're being a lot.
do you want to clonazepam?
Like it's
outrageous is what it is. Because
is.
a whole generation has been taught that, oh, your emotions are just bad for you.
Yeah.
Like we've been taught that, hey, those little messages from your body.
Yeah. Like and for example, like if going back to the whole scenario, you being a chill guy, me being a chalant girl, I feel like if you're not responding to me at all,
Yeah.
I will obviously lose my mind. Like either I'll do a lot or I'll do nothing, and then I will be the problem. How is this making sense?
Maybe you are. That's just the chill guy in me speaking.
But
Too many words. But where did this start? Like, I think the only question that's coming up for me is, when did people stop yearning?
Yeah.
When did we take yearning away?
Man, Shah Rukh Khan didn't raise us this
Again,
way.
Shah Rukh Khan propaganda.
But it's true.
It's true.
Shah
I can't
Rukh
fight
yearned.
that. Shah Rukh yearned. And
like
how?
that's he taught us to yearn. Who is it? Who made us unlearn
Shah
that?
Rukh Khan show. Oh, I thought who is it? Who taught us to yearn?
No.
Who made us unlearn that?
I don't know.
If we think about
I don't. Amy Adams.
it. Sure. She was just trying something out, dude. It didn't work.
But Amy Adams also again was meant to be ironical.
That's
Who made us unlearn
Who made
yearning?
us? Wait 1 second. I need to trace this. See, this is the thing about social norm switching that really gets me. Like the moment you sit and try to trace it back, it just vanishes into thin air. Because it's been these small, tiny messages that have been communicated to us over time that create this entire system. Wow.
And it's
Am I
also
smart?
you are.
Chill guy. Don't compliment me. That's not.
So chill guys are not even supposed to get compliments.
Yeah, I feel like we could do this. Like, chill person,
Yeah.
what are they not supposed to do? Not
And-
take compliments.
Not care about stuff.
Not care about stuff. Oh, you think I'm smart?
That's horrible. So every chill person, do they not grow up on the sweet, sweet taste of academic validation and begging for it in school?
I feel like it's too much disclosure. Are we really willing to share this part of you with the world?
I'm just saying, do
Which
chill
I did
people
that
do it
too.
or not?
I don't think so.
And chill is also very different, no? Like, it's
Yeah.
very according to the society. Like, if men are supposed to be chill, that's just code for emotionally detached.
Yeah, and when did that become cool?
Yeah, I don't
No,
know.
like you being chill is just emotional suppression. That
That's-
oh, your partner of 8 years has left you, and you're just like, sucks. I guess that sucks.
How does it not wreck you from the inside? Like, that's. And on the other hand, women are expected to be chill because I
Yeah.
don't know, like, because of too many emotions.
Yeah, I think again, like bringing in the larger discussion of patriarchy,
Yeah.
women are just expected to function as men do.
Yeah.
So if you're expressing, you're already on the,
wrong side of
wrong
things.
side of things. Exactly.
Yeah.
So then you need to come over to the chill side, and then everyone suppress their emotions, and then, oh God,
How would that look like? If everybody is suppressing their emotions, we will not have Taylor Swift singing for us.
sure.
We will not have people making movies on love and joy and expression.
We
Sadness also.
we would have bread. There would
It's
be
true.
movies. There would be movies on stones and bread.
That's true.
Just
Like, that's the
things.
only thing that doesn't express itself.
Yeah, like
It's
mango
true.
juice expresses itself.
Yeah.
So full of life.
Oh,
Just
that's
like,
such a good metaphor.
Always remember who I am.
Never
brain.
the chill. But it's true. Like, being chill is like sliced bread.
Yeah.
White bread,
White
specifically. So there's no flavor to it. There's no excitement to it. There's no melodrama to it. There is no yearning. There's no pain to it.
Yeah.
It's just
Bread. Shit.
shit.
I'm never eating bread again. It goes against my chalant values.
That's
But again, like coming back to the gendered aspect of it. I mean, you know how you were saying that if I was the chill guy and you were expressed and you would feel crazy or like you
Yeah.
would be made to feel something like that. It's such an unsettling feeling because isn't that
Yeah.
how a lot of us grow up?
yeah.
That, oh, you're feeling too much, you're talking too loud. Don't, just the rules around being,
Yeah.
the chalant girl.
Yeah. Yeah, like it, and it's also this that okay, if you don't want to deal with my emotions, don't deal with it.
Yeah.
But don't make me a villain for feeling them.
Yeah, I mean, again, if we come to this question, no, like, are you a villain for feeling emotions? Like, fellas, is it
Is
terrible?
it wrong? Is it wrong to have emotions
Yes.
and feel them?
Mhm. It's the worst thing you can do to yourself. You should be ignoring your body and your brain every living, breathing second of the
I
day.
feel like we would burn out in 5 minutes.
5
like, if
minutes
we
even
don't-
is a lot.
Yeah,
you
like
know?
if we don't feel emotions, what makes us humans if not emotions?
I don't know. Blood?
That's
Even
that's everywhere. Actually.
that's everywhere. But then that's the thing, right? Where did we as a generation start valuing emotional unavailability? Or like at least working towards it? Because like call back to our previous video if you haven't watched it, rules of modern dating. But like you can't text too much
Yeah.
or you can't express your emotions because then you're too much too soon.
It's a lot.
What
like,
is too much? What is too less? Who defined this?
I feel like one baseline disclaimer that goes here is that all of these conversations we're having with the context of you're respecting the other person. There's no harm caused.
Yes. of
Like, no
course.
need to be Kabir Singh and be like, oh, I watch Utkarsh and Tina talk and then I'm going and calling everybody and be like, this is my... No.
That's-
Disrespect, harm, causing
Violence.
somebody threats, violence, any sort of
discomfort.
attack.
Yeah.
Attack that you have on the other person, no. That's off the charts.
Mm-mm.
Like, that's not something we're
That's
talking
not an
about.
emotion we want anyone to feel.
Yeah, like that's not what you're promoting. That's not what you're talking
Yeah.
about.
But keeping safety in mind. Right?
Yeah.
Keeping expression in mind. Why did people stop doing that? Why has it become such a widespread epidemic? I'm honestly not even afraid to call
But
this
it's
an
true,
epidemic.
no?
at this
Like, even
point.
if you look at the songs, like Indian film industry songs,
Yeah.
right? Earlier there were songs of longing and yearning and getting, like, I don't know, like things for your lover
Yeah.
from across the seas and just writing them letters and just like
सात समुंदर पार मैंने
I know, like, yeah, right? But now it's just Coca-Cola too. Like, no, like, no.
like sure objectifying.
Like, it's just objectification. Like, if you don't yearn, if you
Yeah.
don't feel a feeling for somebody you love, whether it's a friend, whether it's a partner, you're just a, I don't know. What else do you learn? I mean,
yeah, what are you holding on to
yeah.
if there is no emotional expression? Like if again chill guy chalant girl and even like chalo chill girl chill guy cool, and then I'm bringing nothing and you're bringing nothing, then what holds us together?
Yeah.
Bread? Are we a sandwich? Two slices of
Even
bread.
sandwich has feelings.
Togetherness.
Feelings.
That's not the
That's-
metaphor you think you
That's-
want.
it was a pun. It was a pun. Feelings.
Oh, ew. Sorry, that was a great
Dude.
pun. I just can't appreciate
It's a
puns.
pun. Why?
I don't like puns. I'm a chill guy. I don't like anything. I'm really in character
The yap
today.
of the day is Tina hates puns. That's not
It's true.
That's
Anyone who
that's
knows
not
me-
appreciated actually.
I don't have any gaps to give. You
But
don't.
no, like it is this. What's holding you together?
Yeah.
Wow, I feel like I'm going into an existential crisis
Yeah.
while talking about it because
Where are the
where have they
feelings?
gone?
Can we call them? Hello?
Shalant,
Shalant?
yearning, feelings, aja, please. Gang,
Yeah.
meeting together.
Yeah. 7 बजे
Turn up.
इकट्ठे। Okay, coming to something that I often find myself wondering about is that we've established that there is this spectrum, right? Chill guy, chalant person, or like chill and chalant. Why does it feel like those are the only two options available?
Yeah. And I feel like that even like any sort of like it's almost like you're saying that okay, if you're everything has to be low maintenance, everything has to be no effort,
Yes.
everything has to be easygoing.
Yes.
Like they've glorified so much that at any point of time, any inconvenience that's caused to you in a relationship, in love, in a friendship, that's seen as a
Rule breaker.
yeah, that's seen as
Like
a
deal
bad
breaker,
thing.
not rule breaker.
Yeah. That's
But-
just seen as a bad thing.
Yeah, and just the word low maintenance, right?
Oh man.
It just infuriates me so much because you're a person. You're a whole person of how many
I feel like
Yours.
humans need the most maintenance on this
you
earth.
need. You
You're not a
needed-
fridge.
even fridges need maintenance, but you had a whole person caring for you when you were born. You were born into a village, so as they say,
Yeah.
and then you grow out of that village and you're just like, I don't need any. But you always need someone. When was
Yeah.
the last time you went through something and you didn't need anyone? Like, sure, independence.
I don't need it. I want to be held.
Held.
Call back. And I don't think I can do anything alone, and I don't want to. Like if I'm it's such a, like if I'm shopping, I'll send you photos and be like, even if I'm going to choose something
Yeah.
by myself and I'm alone, I'll still send you pictures and be like, hey, this is what I'm buying.
That's what. And like, even if I'm driving and my tire gets a puncture, I would fix it, no? But then I would be texting you, tire puncture.
Yeah.
Step
Even the people on YouTube are people we are asking help for to kind of do
If
that.
you're watching this, you've needed us. I'm kidding.
No, but if you're watching this, you are already wanting
Connection.
community, connection, and everything, right? Like because this is what we're doing this for.
Yeah, and what are we without people?
And what are we without Shalans?
What? But yap of the day is.
Yap of the days. Being human is being Shalant.
And we are nothing without our shalats.
If we are without our Shalants, we're just breads.
We're just breads.
No, I don't want to be bread
I don't want to be bread.
I
It
wanna
gets
be like
fungus so quick.
because it's nonchalant.
Yap of the day, according to UJ, is that bread needs to fucking actualize and be like, "Arey nahi, more please." मैं shalant. It makes sense. Oh, but yeah,
It's, yeah, no, I feel like that's the thing. Like when you're kind of looking at it, and also the whole idea of, oh, you don't have to care and you have to be chill and you don't have to be high maintenance and everything. I feel like it costs so much. It costs you connection, it costs you love, it costs you care, it costs you a community, it costs you just the
Everything.
experience of, I don't know, being cared for.
The privilege of feelings, right?
Yeah.
And then this makes me think of this thing I was reading yesterday, that something around the lines of nostalgia is the privilege of having made memories.
Mm.
And if you're nonchalant, then you don't care about any memories you've made. You're
Yeah.
just like, oh yeah, that thing happened. That was cool. Even not even that. And it's just, it takes away the essence of being a human, right? Like,
Yeah.
we're just collecting these tiny
Yeah, I think so,
things.
like as people who are in so many relationships, especially in our sort of relationships, as in like a village of people.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like in our culture, in our tradition, you know, there are bigger families, bigger friend groups, bigger just weddings.
Yeah.
Everything's just so many people, right? And I feel like that if you're too chill to care about anything, I feel like it's also slightly disrespectful.
100%.
Because if people are caring for you and you're just responding with, oh, I don't care, that's disrespectful. I feel like that's disrespectful to the love that people hold
Yeah.
for you, to the care that people hold for you, and it costs everybody in the
Yeah.
dynamic.
And of course, like, it can look different if the care can come from a place of harm. You know,
Yeah,
that can
yeah.
also happen.
Again, like going back to the whole idea, like
Disclaimer.
we're never promoting harm. We're never
Yes.
promoting any sort of threat. We're therapists, very, very aware of what's a healthy relationship, what's not a healthy relationship. So this is in context of healthy
Yeah, it's
relationships.
again in context of healthy relationships, and again chosen family, right? You
Yeah.
have to put in to get something out. It's I know there's a lot of conjecture around relationships being transactional, but they are transactional.
Yeah.
You do make those transactions.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be that, oh, I give you 500 rupees, you give me 500 seconds of friendship, but it's just like,
I'm going to do this.
should we do that?
I'm going to do this.
Like, yeah. Have my parents been doing that? But it's just that, oh, I show up and you show up. Or I
Yeah.
fall, you catch me. You fall, I catch you. But
yeah.
just
Yeah.
being there.
And it's also this, right? That where will you go? Like if you're so
Yeah.
chalant, maybe one day you really need somebody to be there for you. Where do you go then? Like you're not,
Yeah.
I feel like if you're too chalant right now,
Hmm.
you're not future proofing yourself. That's it's a life
Yap of the
insurance.
day.
This is my pitch as agent.
Sure.
I
At
don't
this
know.
point.
We'll just beep it. But as a life insurance agent,
Mhm.
we've beeped out the brand. But I think my pitch is that if you're nonchalant, you're not future proofing yourself for crisis.
Mhm.
Only chalant people get help in crisis.
Only chalant people get help.
Because they care enough to call and ask for help.
And even
have
if
people
you're
know.
a nonchalant person who does receive help, it's going to be a chalant person giving it to you.
Yeah.
Side eye. Stop being
No
chalant.
nonchalant person is probably going to help.
Oh, I just said stop being chalant. No, please don't do that.
Stop being nonchalant.
Chalant CEO. Can I get a crown on my head? Queen of chalants. What?
There's a crown.
Thank
My
you.
other hand won't reach there.
It's okay. I'm chalant. I will reach. That's
No
what
chalant.
chalants does. My chalants got me a crown today. What did your chalants get you?
Tell us in the comments. But I think, yeah, and like, like then it's also this entire thing of it, how we need to promote the fact that relationships are not low maintenance. Like they're not, like nobody has ever maintained a relationship by not caring about stuff. Nobody has ever maintained a relationship by going with the flow, like not
Yeah,
doing anything about
What is the flow?
it. I don't know.
Who? I feel like anyone who says, I want to go with the flow, I'm going to throw you in a river and ask you to go with the flow of it and just be like, yeah, whoa, swimming times. It doesn't happen. And I feel like it is so high maintenance to be low maintenance.
Yeah.
Because we're not wired like that.
We're not wired like that.
We
We're
really
wired
aren't.
with needs, wants, desires, anxiety. I feel like that's
Yeah.
also like if you're getting anxious because you're not getting a text back from a person
Yeah.
who you really care for,
Yeah.
it's okay. Like that's a part of the experience, and that's what normal, I'll go ahead and
Yeah.
say, is like that's your response to the other person's nonchalance.
100%.
Your anxiety is not, it's not a problem.
And again, like keeping the disclaimer in mind, it's not that you sort of act from a place of that anxiety.
Yeah.
You know, assume the worst of the person.
Yeah.
That, oh, this person hates me. But it is absolutely okay to feel that way, right? Like
Yeah.
if you don't text me back, okay, story time. This one time, she was outside. Her WhatsApp started going to single ticks. I was like, why isn't she replying to me? And I called her. I was like, where are you? And a recharge had ended. So I recharged your phone. I was like, come back online, dude.
This doesn't make
I
me look good. I have
Oh,
a
yeah,
recharge
yeah.
problem.
You do.
Is that what we're telling the world?
She has a recharge. I'm gonna drop a QR code. Everyone do a recharge for you, Jay. So I can always have my strength. But that's the thing, right?
Yeah, that's Shalance.
That's Shalance for you.
Like, will you, if you're nonchalant, will you recharge your friend's phone just because you need to tell them that you've had your morning coffee? I don't think you do that.
That's exactly what I had to do. Hey, I woke up. Where are you?
It's true. So I think that's what also makes friendships, relationships so special.
Yeah.
Right? That you're waking up and you're thinking about the other person. That's nice. Like you have so much to think about. And you're choosing to think about, hey, where's UJ? I need to recharge you.
And then
That's such a privilege.
Coming to the thing that, again, like being low maintenance is high maintenance. Because then, if you're not doing that, you're spending so much time to not send a text. It's taking so much headspace that I'll not text her before it's 1 p.m.
Yeah.
I'll see if she texts me.
That's so much effort.
Too much effort.
That's so much effort.
Just
I feel
text and get done with it.
Yeah. And it's also, they said, oh, I won't tell how I'm feeling. I won't go ahead. I won't ask for anything. Then it's just bread.
It's just bread, and also expecting the other person to do so much guesswork for you.
Yeah.
I feel like relationships are the last places where there should be guesswork.
Yeah. I feel like, and that's just unfair. Like I
It
feel
really
that's
is
very unfair.
because everyone's coming from their own set of context, and then they can't make a guess. It's like throwing, what is it called, like a shot in the dark.
Yeah.
And
Like
then it helps no one.
Yeah, like if you're nonchalant and I'm wondering where you are and you're just like, I'm not going to tell you,
Yeah.
and I'm like, yeah, okay, then this person doesn't care. I'll also move. I'll also feel bad about it.
That's what.
But I have to be nonchalant, so I can't tell you I feel bad about it. It's just it's messy.
It's really messy.
I feel like people who say that nonchalance helps them avoid drama are creating more drama by being nonchalant. Yeah.
There's so much drama in being nonchalant because it's just, in my head, where I'm coming from, it's just a lot of lies that you have to keep up, right? Also, again, coming back to the thing that being low maintenance is high maintenance, it's so many lies that you have to keep up.
Yeah, and why do you want to do this to yourself? No, like I feel like let yourself be loved. It's scary.
Yeah.
Right? And
it's messy.
It is messy, and it requires a lot of work, and that's work you'll have to be willing to do in therapy by yourself.
But also, Shalance helps you get someone or a lot of people who will help you do that work.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I think that
should we call it the grad gap?
That's like the lesson.
Yeah, that's a lesson.
Yeah.
That love is messy. And scary.
And Shalance helps you.
And Shalance helps you
deal with the mess.
Shalance is a mop. Love is a spilled juice.
What?
Use the mop. Dude,
I feel that's a bad metaphor. No validation for this.
No Shalance.
No validation. But no, it's true. Like I feel like Shalance helps you deal with the messiness of love.
Yeah.
And nonchalance is creating more messiness in love because you're just taking away everything that's naturally wired to be in you.
Yeah. 100%.
that's not a nice thing to do. I feel like
It
for
really isn't.
anybody, and it's also this, right? That of course it's a survival strategy, right? Like nobody is born repressing their emotions. They're born crying at the top of our voices.
I was born like this. Just let the doctor know I was there. I was like, so
Like imagine a baby coming out and be like, so.
me.
But yeah, like going back, we're born yelling, we're born
Yeah.
crying, we're born asking for what we want. That is food or shelter or a parent or
No
warmth.
one asking for shelter.
I asked for shelter. Le lo Godi.
But yeah.
That's true. Godi is the shelter for
Yes.
kids. And so we learn how to
Mhm.
push it away. We've had to learn it because of our life, different things that have happened,
Yeah.
whatever it is. But I feel like as adults who might have the resources, it's great to unlearn nonchalance.
And like, it's okay to find yourself in spaces where you even just realize that, okay,
Yeah.
maybe this is what I'm doing.
Yeah,
And then again, like, if you don't know what's lost, you can't put out a search party.
yeah,
Right? So
yeah.
when you know that, okay, that is maybe what I want, or I can hope to do it, get to it. It's
Yeah.
okay. Love is great.
Yeah. And being chalant is chalant.
Shalant.
What is it called?
Snap.
Articulation.
Bringing back articulation.
Chalant is great. And I feel like that at the core of it is also this, right? That if you're feeling something and we're able to tell the other person, we don't have to put up a
That's a lot more.
we don't have to put up a it's just not happening.
It's okay. Try being nonchalant. Get the nonchalant genes in you, you'll get it. So
I can't. I was never nonchalant. As a matter of fact,
Yes,
ever.
it's
Actually, I've
true.
never had
she's the most
any
chalant person I know.
nonchalant story for me. Like I've
Not
never.
one nonchalant
Not
bone in
one
our body.
nonchalant one. I've always just cared too much for everything. But yeah, I feel like that if you're being honest,
Yeah.
what's inside of you, and you're saying it, and you're wanting the other person to know it, it's real, it's authentic. You don't have to put up a performance.
Yeah.
I said it. I brought back articulation.
I just asked
See,
you to
even
be a
this was-
nonchalant person.
No, even this was chalant.
It
The
was
fact that I
chalant.
cared about the fact that I could say the thing right, which is my job,
That's
and I
meta
have to
as
say
hell.
that.
Chalant, yaar. Come on.
But I feel like that's the thing. Like it's authentic. It's real.
Mhm.
It's so much easier.
I agree. I think, again, like this can be a whole another topic, but this entire thing of to be happy or like to be free is to accept cringeness.
Yes.
No?
To be
free is to be cringe. And if we're deeming love cringe as an entire generation, this is your sign to be cringe.
be cringe,
It's
we,
absolutely all
we
right.
decided to be cringe when we did this podcast.
It's true. It's true. It is a labor of love. It is a practice
Cheers,
in
I guess.
love. Cheers to being cringe.
This is water for all
This is water,
explanatory
please.
reasons. This is water.
Should we have transparent glasses next time? Mom, I'm drinking water. But yeah, I think do we have a grand yap in sight?
Yes, I think the grand yap is.
Trump.
I have to also think of it, like how to say the correct thing. Nonchalant. I think the whole idea that nonchalant is easier, low maintenance is easier, that's not true. Because while it might seem like not caring for things is
Yeah.
making things easier for you, it's just making things harder in the long run.
Because you're caring too much about not caring at all.
And that's a lot of energy gone into creating something that's not serving anybody
Yeah.
around you, in you.
Mhm.
That's you're not future proofing yourself.
You're not future proofing yourself. You're acting like a real piece of bread right now.
That's such a great insult. I love it.
Please
I
tell
love
us if you want to call people
A piece of bread. Just tag us. Tag
Yeah.
Shrink Shake Pod every time you want to call somebody a piece of bread.
Yes. And we'll
Like, that's-
send you a loaf of bread. I'm kidding.
It's-
We're not doing any of that.
But it's so cool. Like imagine somebody going "Blah," like you piece of bread. That's such a great insult.
But yeah, bringing back
Articulation.
and the grand yap. that yeah, it's high maintenance to be low maintenance, and love is messy, love is brutal sometimes, but it is important to give
Yeah, and
yourself.
when you love somebody, you want to make that effort, right? You want to be inconvenienced. You want to be burdened.
You want to do recharges. If you've made it till here in the video, I'm so proud
Yeah,
of you.
and like it's also this. I feel like that it's this entire thing of my notes tell
Yeah.
me that relationships are the ones where you can be your full self, not just your chill
Yeah.
self. That's
Could never be
that's-
me. I'm always chill as hell.
but but I think yeah, like I think love means accepting all versions of you.
Yeah.
You might not like them. You might not like different versions of a person, and being able to tell them that is also being chalant. Like
Yeah.
I think every act of care is being
Is
chalant.
chalance.
So chalance
Just
is
be
the biggest
chalant.
love language.
Chalance is the word of 2025.
Is it?
TSSP.
Yeah, yes. The shink
Not
shake part.
2025. Maybe the next 25 minutes we're both incredibly volatile with our words. For the next 25 minutes, chalance is the word.
Yeah.
But if you're still watching, let us know a story in the comments where your chalance helped you. What
Yeah.
would that look like?
And if this podcast has helped you, this episode has helped you think about your own chalants and
Mhm.
maybe be more chalant, tell us in the comments. We would love to know your stories. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for watching us be very chalant.
Yes.
We're very
you.
chalant about our work and our podcast, and I'm very proud of us.
Yes,
That's
I'm
it.
really proud of us.
Anyway.
That's damn chalant.
So thank you so much everybody for being here. We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
With a new topic, with new yapping, with new lessons,
And the same old chalance.
and faces also the same old
Fish.
faces. Our
Not
faces.
me. I'm about to get a new
But tell us in the comments if you want us to talk about something new, something else, something that's been on your mind
Yeah.
that we can talk about, and we would love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.